So today I'll be sharing my egg fried rice recipe with you. I've taken 200 grams of basmati rice and soaked it for about 15 to chopped my vegetables in a vegetable chopper. So here I've chopped carrot, green and yellow bell peppers, and I will be writing the amount in the description below. So there's peas, this is frozen peas, onion with 2 tablespoons of oil, and I've used 1 egg. You can use more if you want. Chili flakes, salt and pepper. So I've taken triple the quantity of water and I've added a little bit of salt to it, and this I'm keeping in a separate pot because I want to cook the rice separately. And in a pan I'm going to heat oil now. So the flame should be around medium, and I'm adding oil to it. I will first add the onions, and adding onions here. Make sure that the oil is a little bit warm, and simultaneously also keep checking the water. Close the water with a lid, and you can concentrate on making your fried vegetables in the pan now. So you've added your onions and cook it till it turns a little light brown in color. Don't overcook it because all the vegetables have to be added with this. So once the onions are a little cooked, you start adding the vegetables. I started off by adding carrot because carrot takes a little longer to cook compared to the vegetables that I'm adding. So make sure you cook each vegetable you add and keep mixing it well. So once you've finished mixing one vegetable with the oil, only then add the other one. So first goes carrot, and then I've added capsicum. And then you have to mix it really well so that all the parts of the vegetable are cooked. And now I'm adding the yellow one. So this is very high in vitamin C, very good for health, and keep your flame low. Don't increase the flame because as you can see, the onion needs to be a little pinkish in color. It should not turn brown even though there is a lot of oil in this. Then I've added frozen peas. I've added peas in the end because they're frozen. If they're fresh peas, you can add it added earlier with the carrot. So once this is done, keep the flame low. Remember to keep your flame low, and I'm checking with the water. It is not completely done, though it's boiling a little bit. So we wait for some more time, and meanwhile this has to cook. Do not switch off the flame. So once I mix all the vegetables, I'm going to cook the egg in the same pan. So what I'm going to do is move all the vegetables to one side, and this is the reason I've added both 2 tablespoons of oil together so that I can cook the egg in the same pan. This does add a little bit more taste to the vegetables. So I'm adding egg here, and now I'll be cooking it a little by little. Don't increase the flame immediately, even though the egg will take some time to cook. Be patient and then increase the flame once the egg is completely cooked. Otherwise the vegetables will start burning. Do not play with the temperature at this point of time. So cook it really well and then mix it with the vegetables. Now I've started mixing the vegetables little by little. Do this so that you can completely mix the egg and the vegetables, and do not leave any parts of vegetables without mixing the egg, because next we'll be adding the spices, and since there are no spices in the egg also, it helps in completely mixing up all the spices equally. If you add it earlier, the egg will have a little more spice, or the vegetables will have a little more spice, and when you add rice with this, it will not completely bring out the flavors. So once you've added the spices, mix it very well, and now I'm going to put the water, which has become very hot, and when I lifted the lid, I almost burnt my finger. So don't do such things. Now that the rice is now that the water is ready, I'm going to add rice into this. The rice needs to be cooked around 50 to 60%. Do not cook the rice entirely, and since I'm using basmati rice, it cooks very fast, especially if you have soaked it for 15 to 20 minutes. So remember to keep a wooden spatula and mix the rice very well. I'm also checking with the vegetables simultaneously, and now when the rice is 40 to 50% ready, add the vegetables into the rice. The vegetables are well cooked now. Remember that the oil should be a little bit more, because I have not added any oil into the rice. So now I'm going to add all the vegetables into the rice, and we're going to mix it really well. Remember to use, I'm focusing more on the spatula because basmati rice breaks very easily. You have to use a wooden spatula so that the rice doesn't break, and do not overcook the rice or cook it around 80 to 90% also. Make sure you are within the range of 40 to 60. Only then can you mix it really well, and once you've mixed it, you have to keep it on low flame for around 10 to 12 minutes. So shut it with a lid and then keep it on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. As you can see, I've finished keeping it for 10 to 12 minutes and the rice is ready. The vegetables are not burnt, the rice is completely cooked, and the vegetable mixture is equal to the rice that you've cooked. So make sure, so the rice is completely cooked after 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure that both are in equal quantities, your fried vegetables and the rice, and please try it out. Let me know how you made it, and like, share, subscribe and comment below.